About Thesitum Truiston hydraulic knockout punch with Diasaldia shave laser engraved liniment marks Farige and precise positioning compatible. Thickness capacity inch gas steel inch stainless steel punch steel stainless steel brass copper aluminum soft alloy stainless fiberglass and plasticent. About Thesitum Truiston hydraulic knockout punch with Diasaldia shave laser engraved liniment marks Farige and precise positioning compatible. Thickness capacity inch gas steel inch stainless steel punch steel stainless steel brass copper aluminum soft alloy stainless fiberglass and plasticent. About Thesitum Truiston hydraulic knockout punch with Diasaldia shave laser engraved liniment marks Farige and precise positioning compatible. Thickness capacity inch gas steel inch stainless steel punch steel stainless steel brass copper aluminum soft alloy stainless fiberglass and plasticent. About Thesitum Truiston hydraulic knockout punch with Diasaldia shave laser engraved liniment marks Farige and precise positioning compatible. Thickness capacity inch gas steel inch stainless steel punch steel stainless steel brass copper aluminum soft alloy stainless fiberglass and plasticent.